All right, we've got Daryl on a huge medley here. Yoke carries 385 for 30 feet. Immediately to farmers, 30 feet with 170 per hand. To an axle, clean and press, 2 reps with 135. Immediately to a keg press with 85 pounds working on form. Here we go. Keep the whole body tight, Daryl. Whole body tight. Yep, big breath, go. There it is. There it is. Keep it going, push the hands forward. Go, back up, back up. Strong, small steps. Look at your goal. There it is. Everything tight, keep moving, keep moving. Look at your goal, keep going. Good carry, Daryl, back up right now. Get back under it. Strong. Go. Small steps. Your goal, he's almost there. Push it hard. Push it hard. Down. Farmers right now. 30 feet, 170 pounds per hand. Strong pickup. Grind through. Go. Go, go, go. Don't stop on it. Can't stop. Can't stop. Back up. Right now. Gotta go, Daryl. Gotta go. Ignore it. Ignore what you're feeling. Go. Get it. Take the tins off real fast. Take the tins off. Take the tins off quickly. All right, then get it. Buckle down to that grip. Go. Small steps, fast feet. Tins off. Tins off right now. It's okay. It's okay. This is practice. This is practice. Go. Are the hands slipping? There, are they slipping? Are they slipping? Get more chalk, fast. Go get chalk. We'll keep it rolling. Go. Quickly, quickly, get chalk. Go. Little chalk break. You cannot have too much chalk. There he is. Back from the bathroom. Here we go. Big pickup now. Go. There it is. Walk fast. Control it. 150 a hand now. Keep moving. Keep moving. Very strong. Back up. Almost there, buddy. Almost there. Big breath and go. Right now. Clock's running. Drive it up. Squeeze that hand hard. Go. All the way across. Down. Axle, belt off right now. Axle, you're almost done. You're almost done. Finish line's right here. Here we go. Quickly, this is one big set. Right in, Daryl. 2 repetitions. 135 pound axle. Go. Get it. Grind through. Grind through. No quitting. Here we go. Find it, Daryl. Dig deep. Big old medley. Reposition. Pop it up hard. Pop it. Pop it. You gotta work. You're okay. Take a big breath. You are okay. This is how you should feel right now. You're good. Go back to your original grip, the left hand under. Once you get it to your chest, it's easy. Here we go, buddy. Come on. Last set of the day. Last hard thing. Go. Up. You're okay. This is gonna happen. Don't give in. Don't give in. You can watch this video and see the determination, the perseverance. Pull tight, Daryl. Come on. Yep. Is it grip or what? Get the chalk, quickly. More chalk. Fast. This is his first official strongman workout. And he's doing awesome. Come on, Daryl, get fired up for this. Here it is. All the way up. Yes. Pop it. That's a high pickup. Yes, yes, yes. Grind, grind, grind. Now you're pressing. Get it. 2. Up. Strong. Find it. Get one. Pop it up. Pop and drop under it. Strong drive. Yes. Hold. 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 Good man. You're good. Grab the keg for 2 right now. Get 2 with the keg. And then you're done. Complete fatigue is wonderful. Here we go. Keep your form. You can. You can. You're done after this. This is the finish line. This is the finish line, buddy. Give me 1 press. 1 press. Yep, here we go. Don't drive, grind it up. You're okay, you're okay. Don't get frustrated. Don't get frustrated. If you get that bottom elbow onto you, Daryl, you're good to go. You're good to go. Ready, here we go. Last one. That body's craving some Chipotle. Here we go, finish strong. Everything you got, buddy. Good clean up. There, press, 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 go. Good man, good rep, down. Second one, awesome, awesome, relax. Well done. That was a grinder.